At RDS, we pride ourselves as your one-stop solutions partner for all your bespoke display, embedded system design and production requirements. From initial design to final production, RDS has the experience and technical expertise to bring your ideas to life. Once your design is prototyped and certified, RDS can help you with the next step of final production and assembly. RDS has a purpose-built production facility based in the UK, specifically designed to fulfill the needs of our customers for over 20 years. No job is too small or too large, from simple assembly to complete system production. RDS can design and supply metalwork, plastic casings, cabling solutions, sub-assemblies, temperature testing, and clean rooms for touchscreen bonding and final assembly. Other services include software and firmware installation, custom BIOS production, screen printed cases and software development. Once initial production is completed, RDS can perform SOAK and compliance testing to ensure your product meets all global standards such as ISO 13485. RDS is ISO 13485 approved, so you can be sure of our attention to detail and quality control to produce top quality systems and devices. ISO 13485 is a globally recognized standard for quality management systems in the medical device industry. It ensures compliance with regulatory requirements and demonstrates our commitment to producing safe and effective products. Our ongoing commitment to success drives our expert team to constantly improve processes, undergo regular training, and maintain adherence to all quality control procedures, ensuring high quality at all times. Parts and supplies can be managed to provide a constant production schedule to meet your deadlines. As part of the Volex Group, RDS has access to advanced global manufacturing facilities that enable the assembly of complex cable looms, power electronics, and large bespoke systems. RDS can help with advanced cabling and connector solutions in a diverse range of industries, from transport to oil rigs, from kiosks to EV chargers. You can trust RDS to meet the highest quality, safety, and performance standards. From display to embedded boards, from initial design to final assembly and manufacture, we're committed to being your reliable partner throughout your production life cycle. RDS is your one-stop solution for design, prototyping, and manufacturing solutions. Give us a call and let RDS help you from prototype to production.